Thanks for tuning in to our weather here, day being March the 3rd, Monday. Hope everybody had a lovely weekend. I'm Chad Hall, and you're watching our Ashbrook Audiology Hearing Aid weather report. Also, want a big shout out to the Chamber of Commerce with Fast Track, going to be sponsoring us the next 3 days. So Fast Track is, we'll talk a little bit about that when we get to our Tuesday and our Wednesday. As you can look, there is about a 9% chance of some rain, partly cloudy throughout most of the day. But here's what's going to get us that 12 miles an hour wind. Again, is a little bit on the cool side, even though if we take a look, we're looking at our highs here being about 62 degrees. As we work our way down to Ferrum, about 61. We get to the Ridgeway into the Martinsville area, we see about a 62 degree temperature. Again, those temperatures are looking really good, but I woke up this morning with about a 32 in the car, which was still very, very chilly. So we'll see our overnight temperatures beginning to rise a little bit as we move into the overnight. But again, woke up this morning to that crisp, cold 32 degrees. So we can look into our overnight. Again, you can see the winds are going to die down a little bit, about 6 miles per hour. Again, clear skies. But again, look at these temperatures. Again, going to be a little chilly. Much better than this morning, though, 45. And we can see Woolwine 42. And Stewart going to be about the coldest. Woolwine and Stewart are going to be about 42 degrees, which is going to be probably the coldest we're going to see. Again, Ridgeway, Martinsville, we're going to be about 45 degrees, which is going to be, again, significantly warmer than what we've seen this morning at 32. Looking at the all day here, high was about 61. We're going to get lows about 45 as we wake up in the morning. I'm going to give the day about a 6 simply because the wind chill is still a little cool. When that wind blows, it's still a little cool. We're still dealing with about a 6 to 9 mile an hour wind chill. Again, our sunrise was a little early this morning, about 6:15. We're going to begin to see the days getting a little bit longer, and it won't be too long. You'll be able to spring into that new season, which I love the time. I wish it would stay spring forward, but unfortunately, we have to spring it back every now and then. So once a year, I'm looking forward to those longer days. So when I get off work, the sun is shining a little bit longer. Maybe I can get a little more work around the house done, and that's probably what some of you are doing. But again, 61 high today, but we're going to see some cooler mornings, about 45. I think we should be way above freezing for the rest of the week. Now, as we look into the week again, we'll jump into our Tuesday, which again, special thanks to the Chamber of Commerce with our Fast Track. This will be VIP night. We're looking at it's going to be about 68 degrees, which could be a warm Fast Track. We've seen Fast Track be extremely warm. Lows will be about 45. We go into Wednesday, which will be Fast Track again, open for the public that night. We're going to see, unfortunately, we will see some rain coming in. But again, you're going to see about a 10 degrees significant in the temperature, which will cool things down a little bit. But again, you'll see about 45. And again, Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking about the same thing. We're going to be seeing basically rain coming in, a pretty big chance of rain all day Wednesday and Thursday. But Friday, we may see mostly sunny skies, about 62 degrees. Hopefully, as we move into the weekend, folks, some of that rain will kind of get out of the way and we can get ready for a wonderful weekend. So that'll wrap it up for me on our Monday forecast here. Again, special thanks to Martinsville Chamber of Commerce Fast Track and also Ashbrook Audiology. Thanks for tuning in. Christian, back to you.
Relationships, they are the most precious and important thing we have in life. An uncorrected or improperly corrected hearing loss negatively affects each and every one of those relationships. Did you know that you have hearing insurance benefits available to you? At Ashbrook Audiology, we are the region's go-to providers for benefits from affordable hearing care, True Hearing, and many more. Ashbrook Audiology, where relationships matter, Martinsville and Danville.